Baker versus Weeden is a property law case that was decided in 1972 by a Mississippi appellate court. And the facts of the case are a little bit complicated or difficult to understand, but the ruling itself is very simple. And what the court ruled is that in order for a judge to force the sale of real estate or order the sale of real estate, first of all, the sale needs to be necessary, and second of all, the judge needs to take into consideration the best interest of all of the owners of the real estate. So what happened in this case? A man named John Weeden bought a farm in Mississippi. He drafted his will, and in the will he left the farm to his wife Anna for her life, and then upon her death it was to go to his children from another marriage. So John died, the property went to Anna, and Anna lived to be rather old, and it became very difficult for Anna to maintain the farm, and she went to the court and asked the court to allow her to sell the property against the objections of John's surviving children, because they have an interest in this property. So the lower court agreed with Anna, and the court said that it would be economic waste to allow or to not allow the sale of the property. Okay, the land's not being used for its full economic potential, and in fact Anna may not even be able to pay the property taxes. So putting only Anna's best interest first, the court ordered the sale. John's surviving children appealed the decision. So the appellate court sided with the children. They said that the lower court needed to consider not just the necessity of selling the property and Anna's interest, but also the interest of John's surviving children, who would be referred to as remaindermen. Okay, they're going to get what remains of the property after Anna's death. So they reversed the lower court decision and sent it back to be reconsidered by the lower court, considering not just necessity, but like I said, the best interest of all of the parties involved.